Hi everyone, I'm recording this short tutorial to show a relatively new library that has been added to the Ladybug Tools suite. We're calling it Honeybee-3dm. This is a library to essentially shoot HBJSON files from Rhino without using Grasshopper or any of the other Honeybee plugins. This library mainly works by using the Rhino 3dm library, which gives you access to the Rhino objects from outside a Rhino file. You can find this library here on Ladybug Tools Honeybee-3dm. We have a readme here that shows how to install and what is the command that you use. We are going to do this live here right now, so I'm going to fire up the command prompt on my computer. I'll quickly check the Python version first. So as you can see, I have Python 3.8 installed. This library works with systems that have Python 3.7 plus. So now I will install Honeybee-3dm. It might take a bit longer in your case to install everything. I have this library already installed on my system, so now I'll just move on. I'm going to show what is a command here and what are the options available. So if you write Honeybee-3dm translate, which is essentially the command in this library, and help, it will show you that this command takes a Rhino file as an argument. Additionally, you have option to name the outgoing HBJSON file. If you don't provide a name, it will be named unnamed, so it will be unnamed.hbjson. You can also choose a folder where you want to shoot this HBJSON, and there is also an option to use a config file, which we are going to look in the next video. So let's translate a Rhino file to HBJSON using this library. So first I will move to a directory where I have a Rhino file, so I'm going to move to ctest, and let's see what we have in this library. So I'll do dir, and so it has a Rhino test.3dm, it has a config.json, and it has a Radiance material file.